Hello everyone. India is on a cusp of a massive transformation and is set to become a leading economy of the world. India has been on a forefront with its service industry so far, but the world's largest democracy with its burgeoning middle class, a conducive policy response, and a healthy corporate sector is emerging as an attractive manufacturing destination for the entire world. The challenges of the past, like poor infrastructure and logistics, are being addressed. The labor laws are becoming much more flexible, and entrepreneurs are finding it easier to do business. This, along with rationalization of duty and taxation structures and incentives on production rather than purely on capital and interest subsidy, is making manufacturing in India much more attractive. Canara Robeco Mutual Fund is set to launch its new fund offering, Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund. This fund is set to launch on 16th of February 2024 and it will be open till 1st of March 2024. Our approach towards investment in manufacturing fund essentially revolve around four key factors. First, a thriving domestic demand led by more and more people coming in the workforce and a rising domestic middle class population which itself provides for a huge market. Second, a favorable policy response and ease of doing business. Thirdly, a strong macro environment led by globally competitive tax structures and a healthy corporate balance sheet. Lastly, the need for supply chain diversification and emergence of India as a key partner globally. People look to invest in manufacturing entities which benefit from import substitution and companies who are globally competitive exporters. The companies which benefit from overall buoyancy in the economy and investment climate in India. The beneficiaries of aspiring and rising middle class population and companies who will now have tailwinds as regards being an additional sourcing destination for global supply chains. The fund will look for top-down theme as well as bottom-up opportunities and will be largely growth biased. It will invest across market cap and will be diversified in nature. We'll pick and choose for beneficiaries across the overall broader theme, which is expected to play out over a longer term. Invest in India's journey towards being the next global manufacturing hub as we launch our new fund offering, Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.